G'day viewers, well this light bulb fell out of my cupboard when I was cleaning up yesterday, and unfortunately it snapped the bayonet cap off, broke the sealing pip, released all the vented, released all the vacuum, and the filament fell apart unfortunately. So I was trying to keep that incandescent bulb, hard to find now. Let's finish it off, let's see what happens. Power on. This plasma's up, so that's all it does. Doesn't last long though. Turn the bloody camera's light off. Bit of glaring, that's about all it's going to do. Unplug, safety first. That was interesting, it was a vented bulb too. Let's reposition it. Now let's try again. Position where I placed the bulb seems to have an effect on how it performs. No more flash. There we go. That's what I want. Oh. I was going to say, wasn't expecting it to flash like that. There you go, just cut the glass. As you can see, the little standoffs there are all gone. Let's try something else. Let's try and pop this. It's a toaster heating element. I'm going to crack it up in a variac. Before I do that, I'll see how effective this will work as a ballast. Now, if yours got that sitting on a heat brick isolated from earth, this isn't going through an isolating transformer, so don't want to be tripping the RCD. Let's ballast this motor. Getting hot. Pulling 8 amps. Getting a bit toasty there. Resistive ballast. Push to the max. Getting a bit hot there, right? That's just sitting on its start winding, not good for that motor. Variac time, no ballast, see how much I can take before it goes open circuit. Okay, yours, that came out of a, I think it was a, yeah, 2-slice, a toaster. A 2-slice, so there's 4 of those in there. So 4 of those across 240 volts, so that means one of these banks of, one of these heating element, or nichrome wire elements is 60 volts. Let's crank it up to the hops on 240 volts, 4 times the voltage. Okay, variacs on 0. See inrush. Oh, 6 amps. That's 60 volts there. Not even red hot. 100 volts. About an amp I'm consuming there. Getting hot. 140. About 2 amps. $170. 5 amps. Flat out. 280 volts. That's it. 280 volts. I probably would have got to about at least 10 amps there. I would have surged up to. There you go, that's nichrome wire pushed to the max. Toasted it. Literally toasted it. I want to see where it popped. See if it popped in 1 or 2 places. Went like a fuse. Yeah, a bit warm. Variac's not very warm. Doesn't get a chance to get very warm, so got the redneck safety boots on again. Always unplug safety first. There we are, like a fuse. It popped. Coiling down pretty quick. This mica sheet took some heat. There you go, I can just rewire that and keep popping it and keep popping it. I've got to get myself a 440 volt step up transformer. Something with a lot of beef to it so I can pop some heating elements. salvage this cord. There we go. Okay, if you also see what this keyboard membrane does, it's carbon tracks, so it should be interesting. See if I get some sparky effects in there. Plug this in. Okay. Power on. Whoa. Lightning storm in a keyboard membrane. Pressure slides. Alright. Take this outside quick. Bit smoky. Okay, power on. Let's plug this in. Sparky. Bit of plasma action there. I don't think there's any carbon left in there. Lots of sparks, plasma and flame and smoke. Yeah, magnetron's running quite cool. Unplug that. Okay, now it's just more of a mess maker. Must have had hotkeys enabled for a little bit too long. Good thing the wind's blowing the smoke well away from me. Okay, viewers, I'll clean this up. That'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.